Matthews French toast.
4.5 stars. Yeah.
And the day is May 20th.
Let's get started.
So, first thing you need to do is
beat together the egg, milk, salt, and desired spices and vanilla in a bowl.
Well, you crack the egg open first, and then you add them into the bowl.
There we go, no shell. Yeah, a little bit too high on that one.
At least you should have cracked it.
It is true.
And now you grab a
Should
fork.
probably wash my hands first.
And now you grab a fork and you whisk it around a little bit.
Make sure that all the yolks are broken open.
Yep. That should be good.
Hello.
So what's next?
Milk, salt, desired spices, and vanilla go into the bowl.
Yep, 3/4 cup of milk. I think it was a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla.
1/4 teaspoon, half a tablespoon.
It would be 1/4. 1/4 teaspoon.
1/4 teaspoon worth of this. Come on, open. Clean the thing again because that was our mistake.
Yep.
Not
Misreading 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we're going to add 3 more 1/4 spoons.
Accidentally dripped a bit.
Two-thirds milk.
Just pour it in?
Yep, pour it in. And then once all that's mixed together, you whisk it all.
A little bit more. And then the rest of that would be equivalent of more than 3/4.
No, 2/3. Now you feel whiskey.
Whiskey?
Yep, just like whiskey. You feel whiskey. Feeling very whiskey today.
Yes. Try not to do it too fast because that would cause problems. Ah. It does not want to get in there.
Yeah, that's how it is. That's fine.
What's the next step?
Next step is to dunk each slice of bread in egg mixture, soaking both sides. Place in fry pan and cook on both sides
until golden. Okay, so dip it on both sides like this.
Or you can also use a fork if you want to, so your hands don't get.
That's a very, very good idea, actually. Fork. Is that what
Yeah, you flip it.
Then I flip it.
Yep. put it into a frying pan.
I'm just gonna go like this and then just put it in the front. It is really splitting.
Tip it like the bread in, and then flip it. Well, once it's fully soaked on both sides.
Then I can go like this. I'm just gonna do that instead because that seems to go a lot faster. And that's the first two. Then we flip it and do all that, right?
Yep. Once it's golden on both sides, you let it cook for a bit, and then it'll be ready to serve.
Yeah.
If need be, if you're still hungry, there would probably still be some more left over.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's covered in water.
No.
Well, it's not good. Except for peanut butter. But let's not talk about that.
The French toast look done, so they should be taken off.
Plate. And then we should
Project.